Some of the most visual impacts of the strong winds of this system in New Iberia's Southport subdivision. Our Taylor Toole joining us there live tonight. And Taylor, an awful day, but the people who live there say they are simply thankful.
That's right, Marcel. They do say they're thankful, but one family in particular tells me they're just lucky to be alive. Take a listen.
You don't see this in everyday life. You see it on the movies. You witness it somewhere else.
Stephanie Swear never thought she'd come home to this. Thinking she had time before the tornado, she went down the street to check on her sick father.
She was gone a whole 10 minutes at the most. And this happened.
What's more, her 10-year-old son, Connor, was in their home doing homework when disaster struck.
The lights went out, and then the glass broke, and then that's when the trailer flipped over.
With Connor still inside, the trailer flipped right on top of the home, one they just moved into in April.
I said, that's the living room right here.
All I know is my child was in there, and I had to get to him. And I was running, and I was hollering, Connor, Connor, Connor. And then he started saying, Mama, Mama.
In those moments, Connor had to climb out of the home through the roof, in the process getting cuts, scrapes, bruises, even a concussion from flying debris.
But he's a survivor. He's a survivor.
And even though Connor did get hurt, the family says they're just lucky to have him here and thankful to have him here in the aftermath. I mean, just take a look behind me. That was their home. That's enough said right there. Moving forward, they say they're going to have to start from scratch, and that's purely that. Live in New Iberia, Taylor Toole, KATC TV3.